trying to put my camera in the daggone phone holder for me to break it again. CJ literally just bought another one because I broke the last one with my phone. Hold on, make sure. Okay, we good. It's raining here. It was supposed to snow today. I have an eye exam. So after I got my LASIK surgery, I'm supposed to get an eye exam once a year. And I always remember to do it in December. Thank God I remembered this year with everything I have going on. But that's where I'm going now, to go ahead and get my eye exam. My eyesight is like still very good compared to like what it was. Like I can still see very far away, but I'll let you guys know what the optometrist says after he looks or she looks at my eyes, and we'll go from there. But yeah, that's that. Every time I have like an appointment in the evening, I'm always rushing, like in the start of my day, trying to make sure that I'm finishing up all of Taylor's schoolwork. So she finished all of her work already, because I never want like to start her work and then have to come back to it after an appointment or something like that. But yeah, she finished her work. I had time to get myself like dressed and together and stuff like that and out the house. And yeah, it's cold as I don't know what outside. I hate cold rain. I love the winter. It's literally my favorite season. It's my birthday and stuff, and it's just so pretty and happy because of holidays and stuff like that, and my birthday and stuff. But I hate cold rain. Like, that's so aggy. The rain is aggy anyway, but do your work, Lord, do your work. What else am I gonna tell you guys? So I'm thinking about, and that's one thing I can say I love about the little virtual learning thing. The kids are going to my parents' house this weekend. Praise the Lord, everybody. But yeah, they're going to my parents' house this weekend so that we can like wrap up the presents that we got for the kids and stuff. We already wrapped up a lot of things, but we still have mail coming in, so we gotta wrap those last bits of things, those last presents up or whatever, and get those under the tree and stuff like that for the kiddos. Where was I going with this? Oh, so I love that I can do more. Like tomorrow, which is Thursdays and Fridays. I told y'all that's Taylor's short day because I purposely. Alright, I don't know what happened, y'all. The camera just turned off randomly. But what I was saying is I love that on Thursdays and Fridays it's her short day. So Friday I'm thinking about traveling, like to take her down to my parents' house on Fridays. And so if I do that, I will just double up on her work on Thursday. So that's like one less thing that we have to worry about. She doesn't have to do any work on Friday. So today she had like a your choice day, and on the your choice day she can choose to do an assignment or like practice or skip or something. And so today we just did an additional lesson for her your choice lesson. So that's like one less thing that she has to do on Friday. So yep, I'm happy about that. Also, I hate the days that she has to do social studies and science. Just not my favorite subjects. So, and I swear we weren't learning social studies and science in kindergarten. But yeah, I hate those days. So I try to finish. I'm glad that that's like the last, I just did the last lesson for social studies today, all the way until the new year. She won't have to do that again until the new year. So tomorrow she's gonna do 2 math lessons. It may only end up being 1 if she has a your choice day for math, and then she has to do 2 language arts lessons. It may only be 1 because she had a your choice, she had a checkpoint, which is like a quiz today, which would mean that she only has to do 1 probably tomorrow. And then for literature she just has to do 1 lesson, and then handwriting. So that's it. I'm still gonna make sure she's doing some type of work over the holiday break, so definitely like reading, phonics, making sure she can remember the vowels and stuff like that, and handwriting. Her handwriting is beautiful already, and I think it's because we started her writing so young. She writes very well, but like with the spelling and stuff like that, I want her to feel more comfortable like sounding out words and spelling them on her own, and I know that'll come if she just keeps writing. So yeah, that's that. I did have to purchase her a new writing book because she's already completed the one that her school provided, and I got it from, I don't even remember the website, but y'all have to check this website out because it's so many like learning tools and stuff like that, and like toys, nice toys up there. And the shipping was pretty quick too because they already shipped the stuff. So I'm gonna put it right here in the video so you guys know the website I got it from. But let me drive safely in this rain. I've already been talking for a nice amount of time, so I'll talk to you guys when I get to the IDOT. Yeah, I got Taylor one of these for Christmas. Y'all know she got these Crocs. I'm about to get her this. Sport wagon. Y'all, if this is not the cutest. And this, I cannot. Oh my gosh, Cam, CJ about to leave. Hey baby. Hey baby. Okay guys, I'm back from the optometrist. I stopped by the store. Hold on, I've been looking for my phone. Is right here in the bathroom because Cam just went to the potty by himself. I stay like putting stuff up, cleaning up after my kids and my husband. Do y'all put y'all hot sauce in the refrigerator? Because y'all do know it's supposed to be refrigerated. I know a lot of people keep this in their cabinets. It's supposed to be refrigerated. Okay, who are y'all hiding from? Crew, go get him, boy. Hold on, let me So y'all, I found so many cute things. I need to take this off and let this breathe a little bit. I'm gonna wrap it back up in a second. It feels itchy right now. I googled it and it said that it's like if your burn is itching, it's like mental. It's not like really itching. Bye. You potty? Oh, hold on, I'm coming. Don't lift it up. Good boy. That's my big boy. Good job. I don't know who told me this, but Camden, he does way better with like no undies or pull-ups on right now, learning how to potty. He'll like just go by himself. Otherwise, like if he has on pull-ups or like training pants, he will pee on himself. So mommies, if you have tips for transitioning from going naked to wearing underwear and going, then let me know. I do have some rewards, like a little reward jar that I have coming in the mail for him and Taylor. It's gonna be so amazing. So I'm gonna show y'all that when I get it. But I got some stuff for crew. I can't show y'all the Christmas presents I got for the kids. I think I showed it in the video. But I'm gonna show what I got for crew. So I got this for him. Little dog. He already has like one stuffed animal. The other one, he tore like a little piece off of it. Okay, so this. Then I got this little fleece for him. How cute is this? So cute, right? And then I got him this little sweater collar thing. This is so cute. And then, so y'all know we don't go many places, but if we do, like once the weather permits, go somewhere. Like the other day we wanted to go to a store, but we didn't have anything to put crew in. So just having this, I think will be helpful. So that if we go to a store, we can just pop them in here really quick. The kids are playing, like they just. And then I got this for crew too. So sometimes like I take the kids to my parents' house by myself, like without CJ there, like in the car with me. And so I wanted to have this so I can like keep crew like beside me instead of like down on the floor where I can't reach him. So this, and that's it. That's it. That's all I got. Oh my God.